This is Sarah Hadoff bringing you the Dog Man Arrests Petey montage, here with my cameraman, Seamus.
Yes, that's right, Sarah. But Petey isn't just going to wait around to get arrested. He's going to fight back. Petey's first attack, a giant vacuum cleaner.
Oh my, you don't want to vacuum in the ocean.
Seriously? Hey, no fair! I can't swim!
I'd say this approach sucks, but that would be some inappropriate language.
Hey, you saved me! I just gotta say, rats!
There go the handcuffs.
And there goes Petey.
Straight to cat jail.
Hey, Petey.
Shut it, Big Jim! Hey, Big Jim! Sorry I was mean. Kinda. Hey, let's play!
Okay.
So long, suckers!
Petey escaped again.
Again?
Then Petey tried the Make No Bones 2000. There go the handcuffs.
And there goes Petey, straight to cat.
Hey, Petey.
Shut it, Big Jim!
Check it out. The warden gave me balloons for my birthday. Here you go, Mr. Whiskers. Respect. Here, Petey.
So long, suckers!
Petey escaped again.
Again?
Now we hit the part where it all speeds up.
Right you are, Sarah.
The Love It or Leash It 2000. There go the
Straight to...
Escape. Again. Then Petey tried the Crate Expectations 2000. There go the
Straight to...
Escape again.
The Butt Sniffer 2000.
Don't show that one.